Welcome, distinguished Hawks, to the Vera High School 2020 Open House. My name is Ms. Milton. I am your child's English Honors 2 teacher this year. Well, who exactly am I? Well, I am a native Floridian. I'm an honors graduate of Melbourne High School. I earned my bachelor's degree from Rollins College, and I also earned my master's in English language arts education from the University of Central Florida. I've acquired national board certified status, and I'm also a teacher consultant of the National Writing Project. I've taught for 21 years total, 7 years at O'Galley High School and 14 years at Vera High School. I'm also state certified in English, state certified in ESOL, endorsed in Reading and Gifted. I'm also College Board trained in AP English Language and Composition, and as of this past summer, I became an AP English exam reader. Well, what exactly does English Honors 2 revolve around? Well, it is basically a world literature course. So your child will consider the 4 genres of literature: fiction, nonfiction, poetry, and drama. They will make use of the Florida Collections textbook and the Close Reader to help them engage in these genres. Your child will also read 3 major works. One is called A Lesson Before Dying by Ernest J. Gaines, another Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse, and The Tragedy of Macbeth by William Shakespeare. What is a typical day like in English Honors 2 in Miss Milton's class? Well, first of all, your child will pick up a handout that will be entitled Need to Know Vocabulary. Your child will see 5 new vocabulary words each day, and they will be tested on the final day. These words will help them prosper on the PSAT and also on the FSA. Then your child will either share in reading aloud or silently a selection from the textbook or a novel that has been chosen for that particular marking period. And then last but not least, your child will end the class period with a closing time reflection. On Wednesdays, your child will pick up a laptop from the laptop cart that will be stationed in the classroom, and they'll engage in grammar exercises by means of using the website Grammar Bites, or they may use the No Red Ink website. Your child may also engage in interactive vocabulary exercises from Free Rice, and again, engage in another closing time reflection. On Fridays, your child will take a Need to Know vocabulary test and will also be exposed to a mini lesson on an AP English skill, such as argumentation, rhetorical analysis, synthesis, or literary analysis, and then once again, engage in a closing time reflection. There are 2 important tests that your child will take this year. One is the PSAT, which will occur on October 14, 2020, and the other is the FSA Writing and Reading, which will occur between the windows of April 5th through the 16th, 2021, and May 3rd to May 26th, 2021. Let me go ahead and break down the components of the PSAT for you. The first component is a reading test. Your child will receive 1 hour to answer 47 multiple choice questions. They will see passages from literature, history, the social sciences, and the natural sciences. The reading test tests reading comprehension, command of evidence, vocabulary and context, and analytical skills. For the writing and language component, your child will receive 35 minutes to answer 44 multiple choice questions. And these questions will be based on nonfiction passages, which come from careers, history, the social sciences, and the humanities. This test tests grammar, vocabulary context, and editing skills. What about the FSA, which is known as the Florida Standards Assessment? Your child will be tested on key ideas and details, craft and structure, integration of knowledge and ideas, language and editing, and text-based writing. For the key ideas and details and the craft and structure, your child will see literature from the following genres: fiction, poetry, drama, and informational. 15 to 25% of the exam will cover key ideas and details. 25 to 35% of the exam will cover craft and structure. For integration of knowledge and ideas, the genre will be literature and informational, the same for language and editing. 25 to 35% of the test will revolve around integration of knowledge and ideas, and 15 and 25% of the test will revolve around language and editing. For the text-based writing, your child will write a synthesis essay. It will either be informational or argumentative in nature. At some point during the first semester, your child will be assigned either an argumentative or a literary analysis research paper. More details are to come as the semester progresses. Please make sure you consult Focus weekly to check on your child's grades. If you have not already received your parent account password, please contact our school's tech associate. His name is James Aon. If your child ever needs to retrieve makeup work, needs extra help, please have them come to my room after school on Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays. They may also consult Focus or the Google Classroom for any missing assignments. My contact information is as follows. I'm stationed in Building 3, Room 225. My phone number is 321-632-1770. My address is milton.agile@brevardschools.org, and my mailing address is Viera High School, 6103 Stadium Parkway, Viera, Florida, 32940. Thank you so much for coming out to meet me virtually, Hawks. Please enjoy the rest of your open house night.